So at last it's your first driving lesson. You may be wondering what to expect. You might be a bit nervous at the thought of driving for the first time. No need to be nervous. Learning to drive should be fun and enjoyable. Your driving instructor will pick you up for your driving lesson. Don't forget to bring along your provisional driving license and your glasses, if you need them. Your instructor will take you to a safe, quiet road to start your lesson. You will then have a chat about the basic controls of the car. Then it's time for the fun bit and have a go at driving. Look, Bella thought it was fun. She's looking forward to her next lesson. For all sorts of driving lesson tips, come back soon. And don't forget to subscribe.